Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. My name is Zishan Ali Jagrani, roll number 2K18, page 2K18. My topic is linear algebra and analytical geometric 3D. What is vector? Think of a vector as a directed line segment in n dimension is a length and a direction. Basic index convert a geometry higher direction dimension in algebra. Once you are define define a nice basis along each dimension x y z. Vector becomes the magnitude n matrix yv is equal to taken to bracket a b c. Geometry starts to become a linear algebra on a vector line v. Vector addition, and this is the formula A plus B. Scalar product, and change only the length scaling but keep the direction fixed. And C speak matrix operation AV can change the length, direction, and also dimensionality. Vectors dot product. Inner dot product V dot W and W T V. Basis and orthonormal basis. What is matrix? A matrix is a set of elements organized into rows and columns. Basis of matrix operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, creating new matrices or functions. Matrix times matrix. Multiplication: AB is equal to BA. Maybe, but maybe not. Matrix multiplication AB, apply transformation B first and then again transforming using A. Heads up, multiplication is not commutative. Note A, if A and B both represent either pure rotation or scaling, they can they can be interchanged like AB is equal to BA. Matrix operation on vectors. Matrix is the function that transforms the vectors on a plane. Matrix operation on a general present transform x and y components. The system of the inner matrix is just the bunch of cells. Direction vector dot matrix. Matricing rotation. Scaling. Rotation and 2D translation. The reverse of matrix, identify a matrix A is equal to L is equal to A. Inverse exists only for a square matrices. They are non-singular, means ND space into another ND space objectively. And some matrices have an inverse such that the A is equal to 1. A inverse is equal to A into A inverse is equal to 1. Inverse is tricky. ABC inverse taken to bracket inverse is equal to C for minus 1 B minus 1 A inverse. Determinant of matrix. The use for inversion are then is inverse. Projection using inner product I. Homogeneous coordinates represent the constant and xy actual the coordinates thrown will be x y. Homogeneous coordinates. The transformation matrices become 3 into 3 matrices. We have a translation matrix. Homogeneous transformations. Order of transformation. Note that the matrix on the right is the first applied mean mathematically following are equivalent like shown here. Rotation about a fixed point other than origin. Move fixed point the origin. Rotate move fixed point back. Vectors cross product. A cross product of vectors A and B is a vector and C which is a perpendicular to both A and B. The magnitude of C is proportional to the sine of the angle between the A and B. The direction of C follows the right hand rule. If we are working a right-handed coordinate system, like magnitude of the cross product and direction of the cross product is the right hand rule determines the direction of the cross product. Thank you so much.